What type of cable do I need to connect my webcam to my TV?
Hello and welcome to today's guide. Our topic of discussion is how to connect your webcam to your TV. This might seem like a daunting task, but don't worry, we'll break it down into simple steps for you.
What type of webcam do you have?
The first thing you need to know is what type of webcam you have. Typically, most modern webcams connect via USB, Universal Serial Bus, and older ones may use VGA, Video Graphics Array, or RCA, Radio Corporation of America, connectors.
What are your TV's ports?
Next, you need to identify what kind of ports your TV has. Modern TVs usually come with HDMI, high-definition multimedia interface, and USB ports. If your TV is a bit older, it may have VGA, DVI, Digital Visual Interface, or RCA ports.
What cable do I need?
So, let's talk about the cable you need. If you have a USB webcam and a TV with a USB port, it's straightforward. All you need is a USB cable, Type A to Type A or Type A to Type B, depending on your webcam. But things get a bit more complicated if your TV doesn't have a USB port. In this case, you cannot connect your webcam directly to your TV. Webcams output digital video signals, and TVs usually accept only analog input. You'll need an adapter or converter box that can convert the digital signal from your webcam to an analog signal your TV can accept.
Are there any other solutions?
Yes, there are other solutions. You can use a smart TV with a built-in webcam or a USB port. You can also use casting devices like Chromecast, Roku, or Apple TV to mirror your device screen, where you can see the webcam feed to your TV. And that's it. With the right cable and possibly an adapter or a casting device, you can connect your webcam to your TV. Remember that this might involve some trial and error, especially if you're dealing with older devices. But with a bit of patience, you should be able to get it working. Happy connecting!